Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have the Patch Tuesday updates. It is the second Tuesday of the month of August 2025, and that means security updates for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So on Windows 10, the security updates will arrive and have arrived actually early afternoon Eastern time. It's 10 a.m. Pacific. I know that some of you around the world are getting it almost, if not, it's more like Patch Wednesday. Update and security. If you check for your updates, they are mandatory because they fix security flaws. Here is the update history. So what you get is actually KB5063709, which is right here, and this is the fix for today. So what this fixes, we'll be looking at the details of Windows 10 and 11 fixes for security. Several security flaws are fixed. Now it also brings a few changes, especially if you haven't installed the bug fixing updates of July. This will and should bring today or in the next couple of days a little box that will tell you that you can enroll in the extended security updates. So here I've enrolled already, but some people had problems. Some clicked on it and it just disappeared and didn't work. Some had it just disappear and that's it. It was not showing. So this fixes that and should be okay with the update today. So within the next, if you don't see it today, you should see it soon, as this update really will force that extended security update enrollment page. Once again, that you click and you have options that are either free or paid. And of course, that gives you security updates for one more year up to October 2026. For the rest, it's important to install. This is what keeps you safe. The number one thing that keeps you safe is the security updates that fixes the security flaws. It's extremely important to actually fix that. And of course, for both Windows 10 and 11 today, they are here. Once you've installed this update, the Windows version is going to be 19045.6216. 19045.6216, and that that you have the latest updates. So as we go by, as we continue, of course these updates will be there, and if you've chosen the extended updates, we'll continue to have these Patch Tuesday updates for one more year on the consumer side. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.